So Choi just texted me now. He says, I have to avoid odd number gears.
Our transmission is stuck in even number gears.
This just got sent to me.
You know, I really think this is not gonna last that long.
I got pulled over going very fast. So. So, what happened?
I don't know. What
Choi?
He's just holding on.
So, what happened?
I don't know. What
Choi? What's happening?
This has been happening.
Been happening?
Yeah.
What? What are you reaching?
The wiring harness for the transmission.
Oh no.
Okay.
Repeat again.
Good? Are we good?
For the next like 20 minutes.
For the next 20 minutes? Alright, let's go.
Go, my boat! Yes! That's the mothership.
Here in Gaylord, Michigan at Big Buck, about to have lunch.
But before we get to that, let's get paid.
Because Mrs. Savage needs a new pair of shoes.
Today's video is sponsored by Off the Record. Off the Record fights traffic tickets and misdemeanors for drivers across the country. When you book a case with Off the Record, you're matched with an experienced local lawyer who handles your case from start to finish. And Off the Record has a 97% success rate and offers its clients a full refund if they're not able to keep the ticket off the client's driving record. Go online to offtherecord.com and download their app and use their code SG10. Do this now because once you register and put in the code, you'll get 10% off the first case, which can be used anytime during the next 3 years. So thanks for watching today's video, sponsored by Off the Record. We appreciate it, and check out the link in description below to get out of your ticket today.
Hopefully they're ready for us, because I feel like we're all hungry. We had a great drive this morning. I'm in the new AMG GT Roadster. So I didn't get to drive much because I was on a conference call all morning, but I'm going to put in work after lunch.
Harrison. High five.
What's up,
High
brother?
five.
What's up, man?
High five.
Yeah.
High five.
Howdy.
How's the drive?
Another day in paradise.
I haven't seen you yet.
Yeah, we were going slow. We were doing a Sunday stroll.
Nice.
And then Randy showed up in the P1 and we went fast.
How's the rally going, Anna?
It's awesome.
Are you enjoying it?
Oh my God, I love it so much. I kept up with Turner.
Yeah.
Really kicked some ass. I'm very, very proud of myself.
Good pat on the back. That's right.
So much fun.
Did you get any good arrests today?
No, two guys that were going with me got pulled over, but they let him go too. And then I was rolling with the RS6 for a little bit, and he decided to take off, and he got pulled over too. So I don't know. It's been one of those days. I have really good luck today.
That's great.
Yeah.
That's great. Like, how high are your RPMs when you're just cruising?
like 6,200. You guys get that poor car. I turned the AC off because I didn't want the AC compressor to like come flying through the hood.
So Choi just texted me now. He says, I have to avoid odd number gears.
What?
I would give the McLarens one thing. They, you know, the ones that are like Choi's where they are always having issues that need sorting or whatever it is that those McLarens need, the problems they have are funny.
They're so random.
All right, shut up! You're gonna break it again.
Yeah, don't break it.
Rev it only an even a number of times. That's 10. That was 10. We're good.
Yeah, so just so everybody knows, Dove and Omar are now in the Aventador.
Yeah, I'm driving the 65 because my back hurts.
Choi. Come on, big boy.
Oh my gosh, this is so smooth. Someone else is driving that the rest of the rally. F this, I want to just drive the stupid S65. Oh my god! That thing is so fast!
Holy shit.
How was your guys' drive?
Good on him? You want to race backwards?
Blake?
Oh, is he? Do you? Oh! Oh!
Oh, sh
Backwards?
Whoa! What the hell? What the hell?
Whoa! There's no brakes!
Oh, yeah.
very nice.
What the fuck is that? Thanks, homie.
That's awesome.
Made my day. Now I feel 13 again. Wow.
Okay. This is possibly some of the greatest craftsmanship. I mean, I think Home Depot should use this in their land.
All right. So we believe in Detroit. Might have hit something. Might have cracked something. The carbon just started splitting.
The Gorilla Tape is probably the most.
And it just started. You know, this is great compared to how it was before, to be honest.
Yeah, it was
Oh,
like,
so this is an improvement.
No, so this was on the ground. We were on the phone, and there was a
committed right
huge
there.
scrape that we heard. I heard from the phone. So you add a few hits, then you add miles an hour a few times. Sometimes some things are gonna give.
I call him, I'm like, Camilo, my car is shaking. What's going on?
I feel like the Gorilla Tape is doing most of the work, honestly.
It could very well be doing this.
That's on there.
Nice wiggle. Oh yeah. Shake it.
Where did the bolts that were here go?
That's what we're trying to figure out.
Ah, I see.
Look, honestly, because when I left, this was mint.
So
That's the one that came off already.
A lot of times we use like good stuff.
You know, when in doubt, add more. You know, I really think this is not gonna last that long.
My diamond.
Oh, see, now that's solid. That's not going anywhere. Perfect.
Oh,
I get it.
oh my god.
This, my friend.
Wow.
The swag that is gonna be happening tonight is just unprecedented.
Dustin,
Hello.
there's a second one now?
Second what? There's three.
There's three now?
Yeah, there's three. I'm so proud of myself. The big one here,
Yep.
and then one hit. I forget where it connected. Two connected, and that one. So two big ones and one small one.
Dang.
But it's not all the way across yet. But it's slowly moving. Every hour it moves. So these two are racing right now. So place your bets.
rundown on what just happened?
Yeah, so I was driving and then the dash lit up like a Christmas tree, the catalyst overheating light, the traction control light, parking light, all that lit up, and then I had no power. So yeah.
AJ, having fun?
Yeah, 10 seconds in. Jimbo's down, Jimbo's down.
Jimbo's down. Where's Jimbo?
I don't know. He's in his trusty Mercedes. He took over and then only
Yeah, I
lasted 30
took over
seconds.
and I guess I broke it.
What the heck happened? The EGT sensors are too hot. It's a failsafe is all it is. So either they were like accelerating way too much, or it's just one of those things that Aventadors don't like, mainly the older ones. So I'm just gonna cruise in it and try to cool it all down.
Transmission stuck in second. Our transmission is stuck in even number gears.
Did we pass the trees?
Well, you can go second, fourth.
Yeah.
How far are we? Oh, we are?
30 minutes from the bridge.
But you can definitely drive, right? Yeah, but that's all right. We're not far, and we're going to where we got the trailer.
What is it? Go to McLaren. What do you think it is?
It's a McLaren.
Are you getting codes?
Just trying to clear it.
What were you doing?
Nothing, I was just cruising. The wiring harness is broken on this car. So it's like one of the pins in the wiring harness.
Really?
I think it's just loose. And every time it rattles or something rattles and it comes loose, the whole car freaks out and shuts down.
Dun, 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 dun. Whap!
You're a McLaren technician, right? Huh? You're a McLaren technician, right?
No, but I got tools.
You got a wrecker? We're gonna throw this thing and jump it off the bridge. So the transmission is having reading issues. So it has no idea what gear it's going into. So with the little pinholes, if he's got it in one way, it'll get into even gears. If he gets it the other way, it'll go in odd gears.
Oh. Sounds like a very McLaren issue.
Well, they're fast enough. All you need is really 3 gears. It's a McLaren. A McLaren. It's a McLaren.
Sorry about that.
Wait a minute.
Hey, here's your wife.
I have a hand-built McLaren. Very different than a McLaren.
This is so random. This rally today, which is awesome. I like random, but these side roads, all the rally cars are popping out of nowhere. We have no idea where these people. I think they're all excited to see us, and then we're stuck behind Alex Choi with us. But earlier we were talking about I produced DVD series called Mischief back in 2002. So this is my 19th year covering road rallies like this. My first was the 2002 Gumball 3000. And back then when we did DVDs, because we were talking about music earlier, kids people love bands, you know, they didn't hear our earlier conversation. A lot of the music now, when you guys are spoiled, when you edit like a video like Savage Garage or whatever, there's so much free music people want you to use, like the copyright free music on YouTube. Before we would have to get custom tracks made, or we'd sign bands, or bands would sign with us to be on our DVD. The problem is, you know, 03 or 04, you know, this is before YouTube, so there's no such thing as digital media. And to get the rights to use some of this band's material was only for DVD, and it says on the contract, so none of it, all our older movies I'm trying to remaster and put on YouTube for free for people to watch. You know, after 10 years, that band's already broken up, and they sold the rights to their song to another band or another company. So I'm starting to upload our old movies on YouTube, and I'm getting hit with the copyright notices or strikes, because I'm using, you know, and there's nobody you can really talk to. So it's really kind of sucks though, because you watch our DVD and you're used to this one scene with this one particular song, and you want it, you know, it won't be the same if I use another song, you know, and that's the kind of roadblock we've been running into. But now it's just like, it's so awesome that there's so much music available. You don't have to get custom music made. People are just throwing music at you, you know, and letting you make money off of it.
Three, two, one.
We're on Maxaw Island.
Mackinac.
Mackinac. Island free.
Island?
Sheeplers.
Austin, I got your new Tinder profile. Hold on.
I think I'm more like a...
What the f is that building?
That's where we're going. Yo, what kind of exhaust you got on here? What exhaust on here?
Bitcoin's 36,000.
Damn, stunks. China, whoa, China.
Stonks.
Swipe up.
Scared me. Yo, scan your phone. Pause the video, scan the screen. You're welcome.